Good morning, mamas. Today's video is going to be a 6 a.m. full routine of a stay-at-home working mom of 2 toddlers. I'm going to show how I balance everything from cleaning, cooking, to some work time. So if you need help with organizing your life and still finding time for yourself, this routine is going to be perfect for you. Alright, so even though I get up at 6 a.m., it takes me a little bit of time to get down the stairs as we are a co-sleeping family and usually Ezra likes to dream feed, but today I was able to get downstairs at 6:45. This way I can get a nice workout in. I really work out more for my mental health and my body and just to feel more productive during the day. I notice a huge difference if I can move my body for 15 minutes and be able to get more done versus me trying to sleep in. Okay, so vitamins today, I'm doing the Tone It Up vitamin C, and then I just have my daily probiotics, and then you guys know I always do a collagen peptide. Usually I do it in my coffee, but today I'm going to be doing it in my green juice because I'm trying not to drink as much coffee and I want one in the afternoon. Sausage. Alright, Aria did sleep in a little bit today, so Ezra and I were already done with our breakfast when she came downstairs to eat, so I went ahead and just started cleaning. I work in power hours. They honestly saved my life, so I do a power hour of cleaning after breakfast. This way I can tidy up, and then I just pick one room to do a really nice deep clean in. So this day I did our bathroom, so after I was done just kind of picking up everything, I just made sure to kind of do a semi-deep clean, wipe down the bathroom, clean the toilets, vacuum, and mop as well. And of course, as soon as I'm cleaning, my kids are in another room destroying it, so I'm really big on having them help me pick up their mess because it is part of their responsibility. But once I'm done, I go ahead and nurse Ezra before we head upstairs at 10 o'clock to get dressed. And then again, we are big on promoting responsibility and independence, so I let them start to brush their teeth and I just go back over and brush it for them. And then once they're done and dressed, I get dressed and I set them up in their room to play together so I can kind of clean up my room a little bit and then finish getting ready for the day, putting on makeup and doing my hair. There was something that I just couldn't do. And then I also will set up snacks because I do have a mother's helper that comes over on certain days where I have heavy work days, and this month is a launch month for me, so it's super important that I actually get some time to focus. And I do take my lunch upstairs. This way I don't have to go back downstairs and the kids see me, because once the kids see me, it is game over and it's hard to get away from them again.
I can show you what I'm gonna do. Alone, 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 alone with you, my love.
And then I also make sure when I do schedule my work days on my calendars, I schedule in my own breaks and I take my breaks away from my computer, because if I sit there, I'm going to work. So today I decided to eat my salad on my bed and just read a book and relax and not feel guilty about it.
Alone.
Okay, I know I'm doing this routine style, but I don't know if you guys can hear that. They are laughing so hard. I think I mentioned this before. I absolutely love my mother's helper. Ezra like cried, and she's just so good at like distracting them and making them feel comfortable, and she always gets them to laugh, and she like truly cares about the kids. I like love it. Alright, at 3 o'clock though, I do call a day for work. That is when my mother helper went home, so I will sit there and nurse Ezra. Usually 3 o'clock is when he takes another nap, but today he decided to skip it. So I can show you. And then at 4 o'clock, I go ahead and start dinner in comfier clothes, so this way my mind will clock out for the day as well. Alright, and I was able to finish everything up by 4:45, so I went ahead and just tidied up a little bit before Eric got home. This way we can eat as soon as he got home, since he was coming home at a decent time. And Ezra decided to help me tidy up, and then he wanted to nurse, so I sat on the couch with him to nurse just for a little bit, and we all ended up just falling asleep on the couch before Eric got home. So we ate dinner a little bit later, but it is okay, we still ate, and things don't always go as planned. But if you guys like these types of videos, let me know by giving this one a thumbs up. You can subscribe by hitting that middle button right there, or watch one of our next videos. As always guys, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.